Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can buy the Nintendo Switch 2 from Temu. Now, the Nintendo Switch 2 hasn't been released yet. It was just announced earlier today. And of course, it's not going to be released just yet. It has a slated release date of 2025. Now, the exact date is still a mystery. We're still going to have to wait for a Nintendo Direct from them themselves. But when the actual release date is announced, you can be sure that the Nintendo Switch 2 will be releasing everywhere in Amazon, in eBay. There might be a few scalpers around that's gonna try to get the system first to resell it at a high price. And all of these includes Temu as well. Now, you might remember that Temu used to have a $7 Nintendo Switch promo. Like they used to sell 10 Nintendo Switch every day for $7. So they're selling it at a loss, and $7 is very little compared to what the commercial price of the old Nintendo Switch was. I think it was about 200 to $100, I think. So $7 is definitely a steal. Now, there's no telling that Temu might do this promo again, so they might be selling the Nintendo Switch 2 for $7 again. Take that with a very heavy grain of salt because it might or might not happen, who knows. But when it does release, you could try your luck by searching, of course, in Temu on the search bar here. Just search up Nintendo Switch 2. And right now, nothing is showing up because, of course, it's not released yet. But when it does release, you can try searching here and then maybe you can get a good deal out of it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.